Today we have the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle has done just under 69,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio and media controls, which include our backup camera, heated seats on either side, and our heated steering wheel. Next up we have apps, navigation, and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.